whāngaihia te māra kai o Paurewa I te one pōpopo. I hangaia mai I ngā paramāra me ngā parakai no te marae o ōrā kei.
Oh, yum. Bit of seafood boil.
Ka waihangatia he huringa mai I te māra ki te perete, a hoki anō ki te māra.
Yeah, I try and stay away from citrus and onions. They kind of mess with the acidity. Yeah, shells as well isn't really a good one. So every week we're pretty much harvesting and collecting a compost from around our job site, other job sites, maraes and all that kind of stuff. Then we got to do 50-50, and then you get your dry leaves, cut grass, cardboard. If you can see inside here, we got our dial just right there, and that one's at 40. So the hotter you get your compost going, the faster it breaks down. This is stage 1, coming straight from the maraes. All of their kai scraps come up. We start layering it. After about 2 to 3 weeks, starts looking like this, breaks right down, and then after another 2 weeks, pretty much breaks down and turns into some beautiful, high quality compost, which we just put straight out into the māra kai.